8th class student, we are going to start chapter number 17, that is pollution of air and water. So before starting up the chapter, firstly we should know about the term pollution. What is pollution? The presence of unusually high concentration of harmful or poisonous substance in the environment. Any kind of poisonous or harmful substance are present in the environment, mean any kind of undesirable substance if present in the environment, that is called pollution pollution contaminates the air. Pollution की वजह से air भी contaminate हो रही है, water also with poisonous substance and make them impure, means the quality of air and water is decreasing day by day due to presence of pollution, and that pollution they become so harmful to the human being. By pollution the air and water become so much harmful for the human being, other animals also, plants also, as well as to the non living thing also. In this picture you can able to see about the three types of pollution, that is solid waste pollution, that is soil pollution, water pollution, and next one is the air pollution. So we are going to learn about the pollution of air and the pollution of water. You can able to see this is the picture showing the air pollution, and in this picture you can able to see the contaminated water, that is what this water is very much polluted. So firstly you should know clear about this term, what is air. We know we can survive for some time without food. कुछ टाइम के लिए हम विदाउट फूड तो रह सकते हैं, बट वी कैनॉट सर्वाइव इवन अ फ्यू मिनट विदाउट एयर. बट एयर के बिना नहीं रह सकते. फूड के बिना हम सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, बट विदाउट एयर वी कैनॉट सर्वाइव. दिस सिंपल फैक्ट टेल अस हाउ एयर इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस. तो यहीं से ही आपको पता चलता है कि एयर की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है. फूड के बिना, वाटर के बिना हम कुछ टाइम तक रह सकते हैं. फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स, फॉर फ्यू आवर्स वी कैन सर्वाइव, बट विदाउट एयर नहीं सर्वाइव कर सकते. सो हेयर इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एयर पॉल्यूशन. डू यू नो वेयर द स्मोक could have come from? Addition of such substances to the atmosphere modify it. Addition of some harmful undesirable substance अगर एटमोसफेयर में ऐड हो रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से जो एयर है वो कंटेमिनेट हो रही है, और उस अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस की वजह से एयर पॉल्यूशन हो रहा है. एयर पॉल्यूशन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स दोनों पे इफेक्ट करेगा. इट इज़ रेफर टू एज एयर पॉल्यूशन. सो दिस इज़ द टर्म एयर पॉल्यूशन. व्हेन एयर इज़ कंटेमिनेटेड बाय अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस, तो उसका हार्मफुल इफेक्ट होगा लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग बींग्स पर. सो दिस इज रेफर टू एज द एयर पॉल्यूशन. लेट अस नो मोर अबाउट द एयर. As you know, air is a mixture of gas. The two main gases present in the air are nitrogen and oxygen. These are the two main gases. जिसमें से नाइट्रोजन का जो कंपोजिशन है that is 78%, और ऑक्सीजन का कंपोजिशन रहता है 21%. So nitrogen made up of 78% of the air, whereas oxygen make 21%. And rest of the gases जो बच गई, that is 1%, that is the composition made up of carbon dioxide, water vapors, argon, and some other gases are also present. In addition to the normal constituent, polluted air may also contain some harmful gases. इसके अलावा और क्या क्या प्रेजेंट है polluted air में? कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, nitrogen oxide, dust, smoke, etc. All these are the undesirable material which are present in the air. So we already learned that air constitutes a mixture of gases. अगर बाय वॉल्यूम हम परसेंटेज इसका कंपेयर करें, नाइट्रोजन का परसेंटेज है 78%, ऑक्सीजन इज़ 21%. Rest of the gases are carbon dioxide, argon, methane, ozone, and water vapor are also present in very small quantity in this mixture of gases. This is the pie chart showing the composition of air. See, you can able to see 78%. This is nitrogen. nitrogen gas, and the ratio is 21%. This is of oxygen, and other gases constitute only 1%. In 1% it include carbon monoxide, argon, and water vapor, etc. So further we will continue our topic in next video. Thank you.